Hello, my name is Louise, and today I'm filming my Partners in Cream update for Cream? Hello, my name is Louise, and today I'm filming my Partners in Cream update for June. It is the 19th of June, and this is supposed to go up on the 10th of every month, so yes. Anyway, this was created by Stefan Dahlin, and the idea is that you have 3 to 6 cream items in a project that you have goals on, and if that is to finish or to use a certain amount of times, it's up to you. You update, as I said, the 10th of every month. I haven't done that, so but yes, anyway, let's just start. So first I have the NYX Angel Food Cake Butter Gloss. My goal is to use it 20 times. I've used it 3 times in June. Last time in May I had used it 6 times in total, so 9 uses, 11 more left. Then we have the Chanel Stilo eyeshadow in 07 Moon River. It is now even more broken. It used to just be 1 piece. Now it's 2 pieces. So yeah. And last time I miscounted. I said that I'd only use it 11 times in total, but I forgot to add the 2 times for last time. So I have, last time I had used it 13 times. I have used it 4 more times. I'm super proud of myself. So now I'm up to 17. That's only 4 more uses left. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I'm going to channel my inner Ravneet. She's such a good motivator for me to use this. Then I have this sunscreen from the Swedish Pharmacy. Yeah. And there is not much left. I am looking in the light. So, yeah. There's not much left. I think it does make my eyes water though. So I will probably use this on my body. But yes, it is actually heating up here, so there is a point in using it now. And it's very, very sunny, very, very late in the evenings, so yes. And then the final item is something I have finished, and that's the XX Revolution Notorious Lip Oil. I have pencil marked at the bottom. You see it? Yeah. And there is absolutely no way for me to get that little product at the bottom. I even took the stopper out and tried, so I'm super pleased with that. I used it 5 times, so it took me 21 uses to finish this completely, and I'm super proud of myself for having finished a lip oil. Yes! So, thank you. Going in the empties bag. So that was it. I will not be adding a product in because I feel like I've been a little over my head in terms of both work and my project planning stuff, and eyeshadow roulettes and everything, and I'm going to give myself some grace and just be kind to myself and do this because it's fun and focus on that. So yes, that was my Partners in Cream update. Cream, I keep saying cream. I hope you're having a nice day, morning, evening, night, wherever you are in the world, in whatever season you're in. If you like ice cream, eat some ice cream. Yes, it's good for my soul anyway. And yeah, take care of yourselves. And I will talk to you soon with a new Partners in Cream update. Bye!